So today I will deliver you the first lecture where I will only discuss the introduction to components of computer system. Our subject name is programming for problem solving. Problem solving like the automation. Automation means as we go to the ATM and want some return amount from the ATM, right? So when you insert some card in the ATM machine, it will give you something. So inside that there is some programming that according to that amount, if we have that amount, we will get that amount. So here today I will start from the theory part, which is components of computer system. So this unit and this topic is I'm taking from this book, Computer Concept and Programming, that is from R.S. Salaria. So in page number 13, this is the topic. The components of computer system are, we have 5 components: input unit, output unit, memory unit, control unit, and ALU. This is the perfect diagram. In this diagram, you can see here, these 3 are inside the dashed line. These 3 boxes are inside these boxes. So this is the central processing unit where we have these 3 components. Input unit, like inside the input unit we have input devices like keyboard, mouse, light pen, microphone, etc. So what you have to do is just search on Google to see the types of keyboards, mouse, light pen, and microphone. These all are the input units. So it is connected to the complete box where it is connected to the memory unit, right? So memory unit takes some data and get out the output in the output device where it is inside the output unit. So input unit and output units are the units where inside that we have many devices of input and output. In the memory unit, CU unit, and ALU, it is a very interesting topic, that what is inside the memory unit, what is inside the control unit, and inside the ALU unit. So all these components are highly attached with the input and output unit. This dashed line means it is connected to these units. So control unit is connected to each and individual unit. See here, this, and you can see here to the secondary storage unit also. Suppose I will give you one example. For example, if you want to insert A plus B, where A is 6 and B is suppose 4, and the result will be 10, right? So these 6 and 4 you will type with the help of a keyword, है ना? So that keyboard is an input unit. When you press that keys, these operands, we use these 6 and 4 or A or B as a operand, operand. So operands are stored inside the memory unit. The plus, minus, multiplication, divide, and modulus, which is the remainder means, these all are the operators. So that operators are stored inside the ALU unit, which is arithmetic and logical unit. So what is the working of a control unit? Control is the unit is a centralized, where it is like me. I am a teacher. I will control the whole class. So control unit will keep eye on each unit, from where the data is coming, where to send, and what I have to do. So suppose 6 plus 4. 6 and 4 is inside the memory unit, or I can say A and B are inside the memory unit. So control unit will say something you have to take from the input unit, and what you have to do is you have to do plus. So the operation what we have to do is, that is 6 plus 4. So the plus it will take from this, and what what is the working of a control unit. So here in this book you can find these 4 points, which is very necessary. You have to write in the paper exact like that: fetch, decode, execute, and write back. Fetch means to get the data, decodes means to figure out what I have to do, then whatever the operation you will perform, after that I will take the result. Now when you take out that result, it will stored inside the memory unit. After storing it, it will give the output to the output unit, where in the output unit we have some devices like monitor, printer, plotters, audio systems. So the work or the homework that you will do is to see how the monitors look like, printers look like, and plotters look like. So there are many output units. You have to write it in your copy, how many output unit we have, how many input unit we have. So in the next lecture I will say you tell me the input units that you have searched in the search engine, that is Google. So this is the today's topic that I take from this book from 13th and 14th page.